Welcome friends. So in this video we are going to see that how can you make if so first of all, if you have your YouTube channel or if you don't have YouTube channel, so how can you make a playlist? And you can you can make a playlist of songs, playlist of movies, playlist of tutorials. So how can you do that? So if you sign into your YouTube and if you go for my channel, so here these are the videos which I have been uploaded. So these are the playlist which I have created, like Clash of Clans hacks, tutorials, gameplay, for your information, gameplay, laptop hacks, mobile hacks. So I've made this playlist. So how can you make this kind of playlist? So go to customize channel. Here you can see this playlist option. Click on this. Okay, so I have this 11 playlist. Now you can click on this new playlist option and you can give title here. So what I'm going to do, I am just going to make a playlist which consists of only gameplays. So gameplay A to Z. Okay. Gameplay A to Z, hacks, tutorial, and so you can make it and you can choose like public, unlisted, or private. So I'm going for public because it is my channel, so I'm going to show it as a public. So click on the create. So you make a playlist. So there is no video in this, you can add it. So how can you add the videos in it? So that's a question. This is not the edit option, it is the edit for your playlist. So if you click on that, here you can change the name if you want to do playlist setting. So set it as official series for the playlist, privacy, public, ordering manual, or like most popular. You can click on this. If you click on this, so the collaborators can add the videos in a playlist, but you don't want to do that. So save it. And now we are going to add some videos in this gameplay to Z hack and tutorials. Click on the add video. So you can search the videos, you can give the URLs, but this is my YouTube video, so I can add this video. So let's say gameplay, this one, add it. So one video has been added to this playlist. You can add more. Go to your YouTube videos, click on this, then hold the control button and then drag it down. Let me check. If you click on this, okay, so you don't have to hold the control button, you can just click directly. Click on the videos which you want to make it here. So then we have this one. It's a game. This is the gameplay. This is the gameplay. Gameplay. So you can add more videos in this way. So that's the pretty much for this. So you can create your playlist, add videos, you can share it, and you can make it private also. So I uploaded a video so that you can make your videos, you can make a playlist public and private or private. So thank you for watching the video. I hope if you like it, hit for thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have fun.